celebrating 28 years so far of teaching Photoshop. Here's Dave Cross with another in his series of 28 Photoshop tips.
I'm Dave Cross. This is tip 20 in my series of 28 Photoshop tips. This one is a quick shortcut to add a new layer to your document. Now, of course, you can click on the new layer button, but if you're like me, I like to work as quickly as possible, so having a keyboard shortcut can be really useful. So there's really a couple of options here. The first one is Command-Shift or Control-Shift-N opens up a new layer with the new layer dialog box. So if you want to name your layer something, you can do it that way and then click OK. If you just want a blank layer, then Command-Option-Shift-N or Control-Alt-Shift-N adds a layer without interrupting you naming it first. So that's it. Very simple, but a very straightforward shortcut can save you a ton of time every time you want a new blank layer in Photoshop. Check in again for another quick tip on using Photoshop. I'm Dave Cross. We'll see you next time.